Hello YouTube, Heavy Duty Reviews here. I am trying to steady the camera. It's sort of balancing on top of the actual box that the gun came in. So hopefully this stays put. I've already taken, field stripped it. It's a little dirty inside. Barrel's a little dirty. Not too bad though. Nothing I can't do. Got some Blue Wonder gun cleaner. Gonna clean it up. It's got a full stainless steel guy rod, and the recoil spring is in good shape. Link pin. It's really easy to take one down. You just basically pull back the slide, and then this part will line up, and you put something behind it. I used this. You just put it behind it, pop it. You just put it behind here. Wait, let me see. I already did it off camera because I didn't have the camera set up. Just put it back here like this. This pops out from the other side, and then you just slide the slide off. This one's got a pretty good size rail on it. It's not like a full length rail, but it's pretty good. I'm gonna clean it up and maybe even polish the guide rod. I've got the Dremel out, might as well do it. And that is that. I'm not going to do it on camera because I would have to stand here and reach way over in this area to do it, but I will stop and film periodically. Okay, so the gun was very, very dirty. Gloves, toss trash, which I expected, I did a deep cleaning, just a really deep cleaning of the barrel, the slide, the frame, and yeah. But it's in great shape. That's the thing about it. It's in really, really good shape. Now it's just clean. It's just so clean. I'm very, very pleased with how clean this gun is. The slide is just immaculate. I got such a good deal on this gun. Before I put it back together, I am going to... It's got a pretty polished feed ramp, but I'm going to really polish the feed ramp with the Dremel that is underneath this case that I can't show you right now, so I'll be back after that. Okay, so polish the feed ramp. Very, very nice, very polished. A little bit of... So let's put this bad boy back together. Okay, let's see if I can do this on camera. See this how. I oiled everything up. Hope I didn't oil it up too much. Damn it. Will this thing work now? Maybe the spring goes on the other way. I don't know. And maybe I need to get some of the oil and dirt off of this thing. Yeah, that's could be part of it. Didn't know the guide rod was that dirty. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay, let's try it this way then. There we go. That got it. I just had it on the wrong wedge. There's two ledges on that, and one has an indentation on it. Oh, come on. Don't do this. Nah. On these Gen 3s, you gotta have everything pushed down. It'll work better if I do it like that. And then you gotta have the third lever pushed down as well, or none of this stuff is gonna work. It's not supposed to do that. Let's see here. There we go. That did it. Now I just need the slide release slash, may not be able to do this on camera, so I'm going to cut it off for a second. Okay, got it back on. Got it back through. Needs cleaned off a little bit, but it looks a lot better. Looks way better. A little bit of grease here and there. A little bit of oil, I mean. I need a clean towel. Okay. Now we'll just wipe it down. Wipe down the slide. The trigger. Oiled it a little too much. But feed ramp looks really brilliant. Still need to paint this part right here a little bit black paint on the rail. But besides that, the gun seems 100%. Like 100%. It was dirty. I think someone shot it and didn't clean it up before they sold it. Just took it to their let's see. Slide release. Works perfectly. The disconnect is working because there's no, and the decock works. So that's good. That is very good. Nice clean gun, nice clean piece. Smith & Wesson model 4566 tactical. Be a little bit of something in there, but yeah, looks good. It's got nice sights. Sights look like they're lined up pretty good. Yeah. Take this bad boy out. Very grippy. I like this Hogue handle grip. It's got a really good action on it. Really smooth. These serrations are really good for cocking. And that's it. That's it, folks. I'm going to load it back up and put it back in its case.